AutoSmart of Campbellsville, and I'm inside the 2017 Arctic Cat HDX 500 XT. This has an automotive style hood. Inside it has interior storage. This has Duro-Caden tires. Also comes with aluminum wheels. It has side storage on each side. This is a 600-pound capacity transformable cargo box that also tilts. Down here we have a 2-inch receiver with a 1,500-pound towing capacity. This has a 10-inch ground clearance with a fully independent front and rear suspension. Inside, you have a tilting wheel, as well as a digital power sport gauge and a 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive locking differential. For more information, check us out at arcticcatseville.com or call 270-789-2469.